What's up, guys? It's time for the A Scene, the premier source for entertainment right here in Atlanta. And I'm here with one of the stars of Hate You Give, Mr. Algee Smith.
Yeah, you know what's going on here in Atlanta, part of my hometown, partly, you know what I'm saying?
Man, you've been just killing it with the roles and attaching yourself to great projects. I mean, I just interviewed you last year for Detroit, and that was another powerful film. What was it like filming The Hate You Give in Atlanta?
Oh man, filming The Hate You Give here in Atlanta was an experience for me because, I grew up here in Atlanta, so me and Amandla, who plays Star, we really got to establish our chemistry by going to spots that I've already been to, like Mary Max, and you know what I'm saying? Like, just taking it all around town and just, like, having fun, and that's how we established that chemistry. And I just felt like, I already relate to Khalil being a young black man in America.
Absolutely.
It happens to me at any time, and so I respect that, and that was just, so being in Atlanta with it was just like, more connection for me, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely, and it looks like you're doing a lot more outside of acting as well. You're doing modeling campaigns, and you're working on your music. Tell me a little bit about that, because you're doing some really cool projects.
Yeah, it's a blessing, man. So I just partnered up with, Prada not too long ago. So we had a nice campaign running. God is good. But that was a blessing. And I just finished my album. It's called ATLA, and that'll be out shortly after the movie. And that's just about bringing you in on my life. So just quickly, at the end of 2015, I moved from Atlanta to LA. I gave myself 30 days to go make something happen. At the end of that 30 days, I ended up booking New Edition Story. That's after I was trying to find money for Ubers, trying to find money to eat, but then my faith just took me the rest of the way. So that's just what the album going to be about, bringing people into it.
And I feel like I can't wait to hear that story. Congratulations.
Yeah, sure.
What are you hoping people will take away from this movie?
Me personally, I hope people take away that it's not just about Star. It's not just about a made-up story. This is about, this is truth in a timely fashion, timely right now. It's about identity, people finding their true voice, speaking up for what you don't like, speaking up for what you believe in, and not being afraid to stand out. That's what it's about for me.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.